Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lover. Today I will be preparing a very delicious recipe. The name is Chicken or Murgh Nilgiri Korma. This dish, it is a little bit of southern part of India, and the name of the dish which has came from the Nilgiri hills. That is why the color of the preparation is light green in color, and it is one of the best and very delicious and easy to digest preparation. So let us start making this delicious dish, chicken or Murgh Nilgiri Korma. For Nilgiri Korma, first we need to marinate the chicken. For the marination, I will add some curd, some salt. Just mix this nicely. After it is marinated, leave it at least for half an hour in the refrigerator so that the taste develop properly inside the chicken. So while the chicken is getting marinated, by that time let me prepare and start making the gravy. And for that, I'll take this mixing jar and then in this I will add coriander leaves, in this I will add some curry leaves, and some mint leaves, some green chilies. So just 2 numbers of green chilies in it. So coriander leaves, curry leaves, mint leaves and green chilies. And in this I will add some fresh grated coconut. So let me make the paste and then we will start preparing the gravy. तो मेरा ये पेस्ट अभी बन गया है. नीलगिरी कोरमा में जो हम यूज़ करेंगे जो धनिया पत्ता पुदीना पत्ता का पेस्ट, तो ये लाइट ग्रीन कलर का एक पेस्ट बना है. सो दिस ग्रीन पेस्ट इज रेडी नाउ. आई विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग द ग्रेवी फॉर दिस चिकन नीलगिरी कोरमा. सो फॉर द ग्रेवी आई टेक सम ऑयल. Once the oil is hot, I will temper the oil with whole red chili, few numbers of whole black pepper, 2 bay leaf, some cloves, some cardamom and cinnamon. After tempering the oil with whole hot spices, I will add the onion paste. So once the onion cook nicely, I will add now ginger garlic paste. And cook the ginger garlic paste till the raw flavor stop removing from the masala. So after cooking the ginger garlic paste, I'll give some cumin powder and small quantity of coriander powder. Mix it nicely. At this stage, you can add some water. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. So after cooking the powder spices, I will add now curd, some cashew nut paste, And after give a good mix, so I will add this leaves paste, the green paste all together. Just after giving the paste, the nice flavor from the herbs, it is coming out. So nicely we need to mix the gravy. So some salt, and after this stage I will add the marinated chicken. So let me take it out from the refrigerator and we will add it now in this gravy. So I will add the marinated chicken now. Mix it nicely with the masala. So you can see the gravy has turned a little dry. The chicken also is getting cooked. So at this stage I will add some water. Mix it nicely. So shiny, so bright, light green in color. So at this stage I will cover the pan and I will cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is soft, and then we will finish the gravy, we will finish the preparation. So almost I have cooked this chicken in a covered pan for 20 minutes. So just let me see. Wow, so nice, beautiful. I can't resist myself. So it is almost ready now. As you can see, it is light green in color, the gravy. So I'll finish it now with some garam masala powder, some ghee. Beautiful. So just give a good mix and our delicious Murgh Nilgiri Korma is ready to serve now. So let me do the presentation now. So our delicious Murgh Nilgiri Korma is now ready to serve. Hope you have enjoyed the preparation and you will enjoy the dish while you will prepare at your home. Thank you very much for watching this delicious Chicken Nilgiri Korma. Thank you once again. Happy cooking.